Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. And friend, well, we have another canvas we're going to be cracking into here. Now, just as a review, if this is your first video that you are watching here, this is one out of 11 different reviews that we have part of the 2021 Canvas Shootout. Now, just as if you're new to the channel, each year what we do is we have, basically I'll go out and I'll spend no more than $100 on a canvas print, and we do that for a reason. And I'll go out and I'll try to order a 16 by 24 canvas print from all sorts of companies, and then we're going to compare the canvas print based upon the quality, the framing, the shipping, speed, all that other fun stuff. And this year we're doing things a little bit different, as I've mentioned in the past. Last year it was a beast. We compared 7 companies, and ultimately the video at the end was over 2 hours long. Yeah, that was a beast. This year we're comparing 11 different canvas companies. So what we're going to be doing to try to make it a little bit more bite-sized and a little bit easier to digest is, rather than doing a single video covering all the prints, which would be it would go to the moon, what we're going to be doing is individual reviews like what you just clicked on right now. And so this one is from CanvasHQ. I'm going to open this up in front of you. You're going to see exactly what I see. Now, just so you know what's going to happen, I'm going to go through this. I'm going to crack this open so you can see from how they shipped it, what the canvas looks like. I'm going to give you my initial impression. And just like the other videos on part of this series, at the end, I will give, show on the screen, our rating system based upon a few criteria. And that I'm going to digest a little bit further. But ultimately what will happen is, fast forward, there will be a final video part of the series that is going to kind of analyze all the canvas prints, what we like, disliked, and ultimately crown the 2021 Canvas Print Shootout winner. With that said, my friend, pull up a seat in. Let's go. All right, let's crack this sucker open. All right, one thing that is always quite humorous with these guys. So CanvasHQ, if you're not familiar with them, these guys have actually won the last couple years that we've done this here, and their packaging hasn't changed. Fragile glass. Well, not really, but it's still fragile. Nice. And what I can tell you is I've always enjoyed, these guys will usually ship these things. It's all wrapped up. These guys haven't changed how they package their prints up. It's kind of always wrapped right around the print, which is really nice. And this looks to be no exception to that. Okay, so as you can see, it's really, yep, there we go. It's an accordion. And we have a lot of tape here holding the canvas print still, so it doesn't go sliding and shifting around. Now this is a random photo, actually this year's photo. Boom. Okay, so This is all the cardboard that they used for this here. So that's one thing I do admire about this company. And they had these stops on the end, which is really nice. Okay, so, all right, here is all wrapped in plastic. And so this is really nice. So let's take a look at the goodies that they included here. Some reading material. Okay, one of the things I've always liked about this company is they have this hanging hardware instructions, and it includes this little metal hook in here, which while I personally don't use these, I do admire that they include it. And these are really cool because you can just pop it into the wall. If you aren't familiar with this, you pop it in and it sits right into the, like this, ready for you to hang up. And with little instructions on how to do that. Every life is a canvas and every interaction is a brush. Therefore, we'd be wise to consider how to handle this paint. Thank you for trusting us. Your canvas was handcrafted in the South from our family to yours. Our hope is that you love your canvas as much as we love serving you. CanvasHQ. Nice touch. They've included my order receipt. How did we do? Please let us know by completing our email survey when it arrives. Survey completion is optional, but in doing so, you'll be entered in your chance to win a free 20 by 30 by 1.5 custom canvas print valued at $136.95. And of course, on the back of it has different ways that I could connect with these guys from Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, connect, share, and inspire. And again, nice touch. All right, so let's crack this open. If I can figure out how the heck to open this here. You know what? There's a lot of plastic here. I'm just going to get it open. Okay. Okay, so that's nice. Okay. You hear that? This is, now if you've seen some of these reviews or these Canvas shootouts in the past, you'll find there's one thing having a tight canvas, and this is where, as you know, a lot of companies really fall short. A tight canvas is, that is really, really tight. You want canvas tight for a variety of reasons, and that just, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna show these corners here with you, and you can really get a sense. And that's another thing, as I'm inspecting these canvases over, I'm gonna be paying close attention to how tight the canvas is, the corners, and one that is a biggie with me, and that is the frequency of staples that go on the back. And you may be asking or wondering, why is that important? Well, as canvas hangs, you know, canvas is slowly going to start pulling away and start loosening. That's why if you have like older canvases in your home and so forth, and there's not a lot of staples in the back, what slowly starts happening is the canvas starts kind of pulling away, just through age, away from the staples. These guys really, I'll get this close here so you can get a sense of just how the frequency of staples. So these guys really put a lot of staples, and they always have. I really like to see that. There's really good clean edges. The wood is finished, or the framing is finished. And this is another big thing right here. I love to see more companies do this. They have the center bracing, they have the corner bracing. So these things are really well put together. And the seams on the edges seem to be really well done. Now, each year, as you know, I intentionally put a big, nasty logo in the left-hand side or the bottom corner. And this is here for a reason. I want to see which companies are going to make some sort of effort reaching out and saying, hey, this looks god-awful, we can fix this for you, or what they do. And that's just customer quality is really what it boils down to. These guys did reach out and asked if it was okay to fix this, and I gave them the confirmation that it was. Otherwise, you would see this ending up over around the corner. Now, I do like the mounting hardware that they do include. Now, the one thing that I've always given, I've always wished CanvasHQ would change or offer it, and that is a backing. Now, I've mentioned this in previous years. This company, they have a philosophy of wanting to keep everything exposed, so therefore you know exactly what you're getting. And while I get that and I appreciate that, I'm still going to fuss that, boy, a beautiful canvas like this with a backing on this, it would be fantastic. And yes, I know, when it's up against the wall, you don't see anything in the back. I'm weird that way. I like the backings. But other than that, the woodwork, the corners look really tight. And that's another thing. When you get a canvas, what you want to take a look at is look at, let's see if you can see that here. So you want to look at the miter corners on these. And again, when you're really looking at a canvas print to see the level of quality of what you got for your money, because a lot of these companies will advertise, hey, this is a premium canvas print or this or that, and when you get it, it has rough wood, or there's no framing, or the canvas is super loose. It's like a drum test. You want it to sound like this. So this is really, really tight. And another thing that you want to look for is look at the corners and how well and how straight is everything. And as I've mentioned before, the staple frequency is, in my opinion, it looks, not only does this look really well put together, but it's going to hold this canvas really tight for a very long time. I'm actually curious. This looks like they put more staples in this than previous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Dang. Okay, so you saw me going back because there's staples right in here. There are 60, just on this front line right here, and then there's a few on the inside. There are 60 staples up there. That's a lot of staples. Okay, it's safe to assume that this canvas is not going to budge for a very, very long time. Mounting hardware looks really fantastic. I like it. The colors look fantastic. And here's one of with this year's image, there was a reason why I went with snow. And that's mainly because you'll see what will happen with some printers. The snow will turn, rather than being kind of like a white, it will be kind of this bluish hue. And this looks really well done. I'm very happy with this print. They did a really solid job with this. So, all right, guys, there you go. First impressions of the CanvasHQ print for 2021. Now, at the end of this video, again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put how they scored in all categories that we are scoring these on. And then what you'll want to do here is down in the description below, click for the final 2021 who was crowned. And so we'll have a video that is going to make that announcement, and it'll also break down our reasonings and logic and everything and all that other fun stuff. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Now, just keep in mind, we're going to have the links down below to all the other companies that we had, or all the other canvas companies that we had tested for this, for the 2021 Best Canvas Shootout. And also, there's going to be a link down there for ultimately who was crowned for the 2021 Best Canvas Print Shootout. So with that said, my friend, I'm going to be jumping out of here. You get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.